Hello, future kids. Today in Lecture 4 of our amazing AI adventure at FutureKids VR, we're going to unlock the secret of how AI can see the world around it, just like your eyes help you see. AI uses something called computer vision. It means the AI can look at pictures or videos, understand what's inside them, and even make decisions. Like imagine a robot looking at a picture of a cat and saying, "That's a cat," right? That's computer vision. But wait, how does it really work? How does AI learn to see? Just like you learn to recognize shapes, colors, and faces. AI learns by looking at lots and lots of images. For example, show it 10,000 pictures of apples. It learns what apples look like. Then it can find apples in new pictures too. This is called image recognition. What can computer vision do? Here are some awesome things AI can do with computer vision. Face recognition, self-driving cars, health and hospitals, safety cameras, sorting objects. Is it magic? Or just smart? It might feel like magic, but it's all done with math, data, and training. AI doesn't see the way you do. It sees with pixels.